When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about what to do to stay motivated when you have zero motivation. Whether it is lack of motivation to clean the house or you just don't feel motivated to exercise or lose weight, or you are feeling overwhelmed with the idea of picking your laptop to finish your next office presentation. I'll share what I do often when I am stuck in this kind of a situation. Honestly speaking, when I feel demotivated, I want to ask myself, why am I feeling demotivated to do a particular task? What will I gain if I get things done? You know, human brains always like to answer what is in there for themselves. What all things I need to do in order to achieve all my goals that I am thinking in my head is not achievable? How will I feel once I have achieved everything I'm thinking of? That whole idea of achieving everything in the mind feels so elated, and that's the moment when I think I pick up my pen and paper and break down the entire task into mini to-do lists, which is very much achievable in 25 minutes. Like today, this living room refresh has been pending on my list for I think more than 2 weeks. I was just not feeling motivated. Just taking it into a 25 minutes account and taking 5 minutes break after that, and then jumping to the next task which I have set for 25 minutes. This technique is known as Pomodoro technique. It's very famous to get things done when you really don't want to get things done. In my 25 minutes work, I manage quite a lot. And in my 5 minutes break, I just flip through these coffee table books. It's always fun looking at the amazing artwork. Whenever you're starting with your to-do list, do not pick anything which is a mammoth, almost like moving mountains, as your first task. Because there is more likely a chance that you might feel not doing it altogether. Start with the easy ones. Also, make only 3, maximum 4 things in your priority list that needs to be done. Estimate how much time that's going to take. I would say overestimate yourself when it comes to time. There is always a good idea to add a little buffer time. It does not make you feel demotivated or overwhelmed.
It don't sound like much. street. A clean pair of socks every day of the week. A big soft chair for when I'm old. Tackle box and a fishing pole. I don't care about fortune or fame. I just don't wanna know my mailman's name. At Christmas time, I'm gonna leave him a gingerbread cookie. It don't sound like much, but it sure is heaven to me. Every now and then we go on a vacation, big radio and a country.
When the task is too boring, I always find ways to make it super fun. Earlier, my to-do planning used to be extremely boring. Half of the time I was not able to track what all chores I have already achieved and what all is pending. I've switched over to bullet journaling and I have been enjoying it through and through. I always look forward using my bujo every single day. Some days are good, some days are not that great. But couple of sections just keeps me pumped. These my daily chore tracking and gratitude journal keeps me so grounded and real. I have created this beautiful February spread that I wanted to share with you all. And with this, I come to my next topic, creating an accountability partner. Earlier, I used to struggle creating my spreads, and since I've started sharing with you guys on YouTube here, I have become very prompt in creating all my spreads. You can do this with any task that you feeling that you do not have that motivation or you just kind of postpone it. Just have a partner where you can share it with. It necessarily does not have to be YouTube or any social media. It could be your friend, your family, anyone. By the way, how do you like my spread? By far, this is one of my most favorite spreads that I have done for this month. Though still there are a lot of chance of improvement, like this vase I totally don't like. But I'm obsessed with these flowers and they were so easy to draw. It took me less than 1 hour to complete the entire bullet journal spread. Among all the spreads, I just didn't like this one. I wanted this to look a little different, but somehow it just didn't manage. This time I am trying a new spread for my meal planning and I'll be sharing this somewhere on the community tab once I have filled everything. As I've mentioned earlier, I am responsible for Ishi's studies and all her schoolwork as well. So I like to keep track of it, and I have a set plan for her each month, what all we together want to achieve for her academics per se. This is my daily chores list, and it has changed a little because since last month I have help for a couple of chores. But with that said, there are so many things added to my list as well. I'll highly encourage you to make your own bullet journal. Use any notebook, an old diary, just get started. You don't need fancy sketch pens or pens. Just any pen will work. Just get started. When I'm doing some mundane chores like maybe dishes, folding clothes or cooking, I like to have my own motivation work playlist. Not while when I'm working on my laptop or while I'm editing my videos. That is the time when I totally don't want to get distracted at all. But these are the chores where my hands and my body moves on its own. I do not have to do much about it. It's for me. Maybe it might be different for others. Similarly, I have a playlist when I'm working out. So when I'm exercising, there are a set of particular songs which kind of motivates me to work out more than usual. With all that said, I always feel we all are made differently. Instead of standing here and comparing myself with anyone else who has achieved so much and feel bad about it, I just want to look at myself, what was I yesterday, and how much I have achieved and accomplished and improved myself. It makes me feel so good about myself and keeps me positive and motivated. On that note, I wanted to share that I have lost another kg while losing weight, and I'm still going on strong, and I'm super happy. My bullet journal has been coming really handy in tracking all my exercise routines and everything else around my home. If you have watched till here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family whom you think they also need some motivation and a push to achieve their to-do list.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. How can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. How can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And I'm linking couple of videos for you which you might like after this video. I'll see you in my next. Bye-bye.
For I'm too invested, I should probably